New at 10, a crazy 911 call, and it could have easily headed for disaster because the dispatcher wasn't sure where to send the crews. ABC 15's Elizabeth Irwin is live tonight. And Elizabeth, in the end, some quick thinking really saved lives here.
Steve, this is one of those cases where having a landline definitely would have come in handy. That's because when you call 911 from your cell phone, it's really hard to pinpoint where you're calling from, especially if you aren't able to tell the dispatcher. Before this 911 call even starts, you can tell it's not going to be good.
911, where's your emergency?
Yes, I have a girl. I think that she might be overdosing on some sort of drug right now.
The call came into the Scottsdale Police Emergency Call Center just before 5:30 yesterday morning.
During the phone call, his voice also faded out, so it was really hard to understand what he was saying as well.
It quickly becomes clear the girl isn't the only one on drugs.
Baby.
Sir, talk to me so we can get you some help started.
3 minutes in and dispatchers still couldn't get the guy to give them an address. No address, no ambulance on the way.
Step outside the apartment, look on the door.
I did.
And you can't see an apartment number?
And then?
Sir, are you in building 11? Hello?
Luckily, a team of dispatchers working the system found where the now passed out guy was.
We use everything that we do have, but sometimes it just doesn't end up with a good connection. Sometimes we still can't find the person. So this was a rare situation.
Good thing, too. By the time emergency crews got there, they found 3 people close to death. And dispatchers say they were eventually able to pinpoint where he was calling from by using his cell phone tower. Bottom line in the lesson here, folks, is that if you're going to call 911 from your cell phone, make sure you tell dispatch where you're calling from as soon as you can.